guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Khadejah, and if you're returning, thank you for tuning in to today's video. So I know you guys probably wondering, why you girl in the bonnet? Where's she been? Is this a get ready with me? What is this? Well, your girl actually purchased the Fenty Skin a few weeks ago. It came early. I did the pre-order, like get it early access. And I never opened the box. I never opened it. It's pretty early for me. I barely got any sleep. So I said, let me go ahead and record. I've been missing for like 3 weeks off of YouTube. So I need to get it together and record for you guys. So I am going to record this to the best of my ability. I'm sorry, you guys, a little upset, and I'm trying to work on that right now. And excuse the hanger. Matter of fact, let me take this off. But I have the box in the bathroom. I just never took it out. And I'm not going to show my address, but you guys, the box is not open at all. Never been open. So I can say that it did come pretty early. And I'm a little skeptical. So using the product, because I do see that it does have fragrance in it, and my skin is really sensitive, but I am going to take one for the team and give my honest review. This is not sponsored in any shape or form, and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't cause a reaction or anything on my face, because I'm really working on my skin here. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications, because you don't want to miss any videos that I'm putting out for you guys. And stay tuned. I'll be getting this open for you guys. Alright, so I had to find a little kitchen knife for you guys. And again, this is just an honest review. Me honestly opening this package that I've had in here for about 3 weeks. So it was included in like the free 2-day shipping. And this is how the box look inside. It says Fenty Skin Beauty. Okay, and it does actually come with, let's see, I believe this is just like the overall order. I'm trying not to show anything that you guys don't need to see. Right. Okay, maybe. Let's just see if this works out. Alrighty, just folding the paper on the couple way. But these are all the products that I have here. My total was $81. Sales tax was $6. And the overall, I got the full 3 starter kit. So this was the total of $75 before taxes. Okay. Right, you guys, and I know you guys probably seen tons of videos, but again, this is my first initial honest review of the Fenty Skin. I never purchased any like thing wildly on the internet anyway. I'm very frugal. But this is a Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, and initially this is hyper clean soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover all in one. So I'm definitely going to see what this does. Of course, I don't have any makeup on, but I want to see if my skin feels dry initially after using the Total Cleanser. And the next product that we have here is initially the Hydro Visor. And initially I love the whole setup. This is easier to put in your purse. I feel like if you were going to go traveling initially, I think this is really good. And let's open this. I just love how everything's like, the colors are great, nice and pretty. Let's see if we can open this box. Okay. So this is how the inside looks. Fenty Skin. And here it goes. Okay. So I believe you're gonna just put it in here and Voila. Voila. And I believe you're just gonna be, you know, I think this is cool. And last but not least is the Fenty Skin Fat Water, you guys. I don't know. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite thing out of it we're gonna see, but it's fat water. So I believe it's gonna have that consistency of the fat. But I think this will really be really good. Now, initially I think this is the one that has the more fragrant side to it. So I'm a little nervous about that. But it does state here to use this day and night on clean skin. Apply on your face with your fingers. And so I'm gonna try to follow the directions for you guys and see how this goes. So what I'm gonna start off with initially, I don't even have any makeup on, you guys. Like, what the heck? So like, this is a total cleanser. Remove it all. Okay. And I didn't even take a chance to really watch anyone else's review, so I can't even say that everybody review is going to be the same, you know. I didn't watch it. I'm just winging it here for you guys, you know, just doing anything out here. All right, so this does open and close as such. And what I'm gonna do here, I got these little things from Walmart to scrub. You know, I think $2. It's like a 2-pack. One is pink and one is purple. So I thought this was pretty cool because I always lose the battery to the toothbrush that I have. So I was like, why don't I just try something different? And that's what I went to get. Now I don't believe that this one necessarily says, okay, it doesn't say that you have to use fingers, okay? And it says to apply some wet skin. All right, we're gonna be trying this, so let's get it on. Just dab a little in here. Okay. And it doesn't say that I have to actually put this on my fingers like the other one. So I'm gonna put it on here so you guys can see. Okay. I don't want to use too much tonight. I'm telling y'all, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. All right. Now just put this in. Oh, my head's stuck on my body, y'all. What's wrong with me? I'm sleepy. My eyes are a little red. I've been up watching TV all night like a crazy person, knowing I had to get up and film. But it's okay. It is okay. I should shut up, right? Y'all didn't come here to listen to me really talk, right? I mean, my eyes are really red. That's crazy. I like 8 something here, and I went to bed at like 4:30. And I was up all day. Yesterday, well, the day before necessarily. I was really up all day. So I'm just really letting this get into my skin. Look at that crazy girl. I mean, it really smells good. It don't smell like the fragrance is like overbearing. So I'm just gonna pray that it doesn't do me dirty, you guys. I'm gonna pray. Guys, my skin has been going through the motions, okay? Alright. I'm just gonna rinse the rest of this off my face with my fingers. wash your face, you're gonna have that ashiness to your face, which is what I hate. But it's neither here nor there. So see, after you squirt it out, it does leave this little residue afterwards. So I'm gonna rinse that off. And it's already locked. Right, and the next thing that I'm going to be using out of this is going to be the Hydro Visor. Let's see here. Okay, I believe this is the one that it was telling me to read the directions, you guys. Reading is fundamental. Okay. This says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use your water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply every at least 2 hours. And it does give the warning, do not apply to broken or damaged skin. Stop using doctor if a rash occurs. Okay, so very, very, very informational, you know. Okay, let's see if we got it together. I'm really not going to use a whole bunch of this. I'm not even going anywhere right now, but I think it's all, a little dab is all you really need.
For acting services rendered,
that one?
myself 5 years.
Okay.
Or 3 years, maybe. And,
I think because I'm using very light product of the product,
just before
that it's not too strong, which I was thinking was going to be my main concern. Look, it's being too strong. But I can tell you guys, my skin feels good. It feels really good. Really, really good. Now, I already have like a little slight pimple coming in originally right here on my face. Annoying. That's life. It's being a woman. So, okay. So that's the total cleanser. I'm just going to put this right here. And I will say that I'm going to try my best to continue using the product as long as it doesn't harm my skin. And if any reason, if it doesn't work out for me, then of course I will let you guys know that as well. And spread it into the box packing. What's wrong with me? And last but not least is the fat water. Okay, everything still has a seal on it, you guys. Stretch up the bottom. But I'm just gonna open it this way. Maybe if I just twist it, there it goes. It broke off. Thanks. Okay. Okay. How we opening this? What? Hold on. Ain't no way. I did something wrong, y'all. Ain't no way. Cause I couldn't see the reason for this being all the way. I was about to say, I knew it couldn't have been a reason for her to just not create it for us to pour it out simply. There we go. Your girl had a tape still on it. Maybe something's wrong with my nose. I'm not smelling anything. Still not smelling anything. Okay. So when she use a small amount of this, maybe I should put it in my farm for my skin. Okay, so you can see how thick and consistent this is. It's not too runny. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Well, now this feels good too. Oh my gosh. This brought some light to my face. Okay, really? Okay, girl. Okay, I'm feeling that. I still, maybe something's wrong with my nose. I do have sinus really bad, so I don't smell anything. But if it has a scent, maybe it'll come later. I just don't smell anything. But I can say that I do rate this as of today a 10 out of 10. I like the products, I like the presentation. So this came ready. It was affordable. I love the idea that you could do free shipping. It came in 2 days initially. I didn't have a problem with it. I did have to call customer service because for some reason the charge on my account, then it disappeared, then it came back, then it disappeared, and I was confused because I never got a tracking number. So that was my only discrepancy, but they cleared it up for me and the product was on my porch, so I can't complain. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notifications on because you don't want to miss any videos. And I appreciate you guys tuning into my video. I know you probably like, why this girl got a bonnet? You know what? Before I end this video, I'm gonna take off this bonnet because this ain't like me. You know, I came on here before with a wig, same wig, y'all. I had to put it back on recently because I took my twist off. And you know, I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. This wig coming off today. I had it wrong, and I'm doing my natural hair. My natural hair. All right, so that's a little bit okay. I look like who's this? All right. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate you guys watching my videos, and leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I do got some different content coming. Like I said, I'm working on being consistent this remaining of the year going forward. So just work with you guys. Keep hope. Thank you for you guys tuning in. Have a great day.